Hey guys, Hop here for TFBTV. We are at SHOT Show 2022, and we are at the Crimson Trace booth. A lot of guys probably don't know that you guys make optics, but you actually have a new optic and a new light accessory to show us, I think.
Absolutely. So, you've known CT for laser sights for almost 27 years now. We've decided to get into the optics game. We've got the scopes, but the big new optic is the heavy recoil optic. Closed red dot for carbines, shotguns. We've even put it on the 240 Bravo. Very extensive recoil testing, 50,000 hour battery life, 3 MOA aiming dot, 2 minutes of zero movement, it turns off, and then just the tiniest little touch, it's back on to your last brightness setting. Really nice field of view. It's just an excellent red dot sight for your large caliber firearms. I need a red dot that can stand up to heavy abuse, and that's what the HRO is.
And that also has night vision settings as well?
It does. It's IPX7, completely submergible, waterproof. Don't try to go swimming with it, but if you fall in a lake, it'll be fine for about an hour. So that's the big thing with that one.
Price and availability on the HRO?
So HRO, you're looking at a $479 MSRP, and we expect product on shelves May-June timeframe.
So you guys also have a new weapon light as well?
Absolutely. We're calling it the RIG, the Rapid Illumination Grip. People like angled foregrips, people like weapon lights. We combined them. We put a 500 lumen weapon light into an angled foregrip, which makes it perfectly suitable for AR pistol platforms. It's fully ambidextrous, completely rechargeable. You can manually adjust the lumen output. Ambidextrous, so your little switch here is reversible when you mount it. M-LOK or Picatinny attachments, and it's completely rechargeable. So the battery is right here. It pops out like so. Your charging port's built to the side. Has momentary on. Comes with 2 batteries. You're looking at about an hour runtime at peak lumens, and really nice price point. It is $174 MSRP, and that will be available in February. We've come out with 10 new red dot sights. We're calling them the RADs, the Rapid Aiming Dots. You've got 4 micro options, and you've got 4 full-size options, both with red or green aiming dots. And we've got 2, we're calling them the RAD Maxes, and they are large open red dot sights for carbines and shotguns. The whole line, the big thing is you've got aluminum construction for all options here. Real glass, ELD glass inside the frame. Very, very intense recoil testing. A mixture of simulated and live fire with 40 Smith & Wesson. Very, very durable. They will stand up to anything that's out there.
So you guys have the regular series, and you also have the Pro series. Can you tell us about the differences between those two?
That's right. So the biggest thing when you get a Pro is you'll get a ambient light sensor and a shake-to-wake function. Very, very sensitive shake-to-wake, saves your battery. The slightest touch turns that red dot back onto your last setting. If it's on your person, of course, it's not going to be turning off, and just very, very nice features for the Pro versions there.
Is there also a materials difference between the regular and the Pro?
No, so exact same 707-5 series aluminum. Very nice aluminum construction for all the micros, the full size, and the RAD Maxes. And then we back them with, we call it the Crimson Protect lifetime warranty. So we do not expect them to fail, but you know how things happen in the field. We'll take care of our people.
And you guys have different reticle options, or at least color options for those as well, right?
Color options, yeah. So the reds, you have 3 MOA red aiming dots and 5 MOA green aiming dots.
Can you give us a rundown of the pricing schedule, kind of between the small ones, the big ones, the Pros and the regulars?
So all 10 are sitting between about $200 and $449 is the MSRP for the RAD Max Pro. Entry, like the micros, you're looking at $250 to $299 for like the green, the Rad Micro Green Pro is $299, but the Rad Micro Red without that shake-to-wake function, you're looking at just over $200. And then the Pros are about the same. You're sitting between $250 to $350 there.
And those are all currently available. They've been up on your website for a while now?
They're available right now. You can find them online retailers, storefronts, and of course our own website.
Well, thank you, Jack, for telling us what's going on, and thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more stuff coming from SHOT Show 2022 on TFBTV and Showtime.